Hey folks, Roger here for Veto Pro Pack. It's January 18th, a little brisk out here, 2022. Happy New Year to everybody, and here's to a happier, healthier New Year moving forward. Hopefully wrap up all this pandemic stuff by the end of this year. But anyways, I want to go over the special ops that we have now. These two bags that are in that, and these are now available. This is the PAC MC and the CP4. So basically we have our blackout series. So we've had a lot of bags now that are all blacked out, and then we have our HI-VIZ series, which is, this is the HI-VIZ yellow, we have a HI-VIZ orange. So special ops is taking the blackout as the basic format and then adding some of the highlights for the HI-VIZ, in this case the HI-VIZ yellow, with the panels and some of the stitching on that. But it's the PAC MC. It's a smaller version of the PAC, but the pocket layout's still pretty much the same. So this bag is also going to come with the PB5. These are the small parts bags, and these have the special ops colorway, but the layout, pocket layout, still the same. You got all the tool pockets here. We did add the HI-VIZ binding to the top edge, so when this is opened up in the evening, you're going to see some reflection on that. Comes with the mesh pocket and the little magnet here to hold on to screw covers, taken off of a screw cover, whatever you want to stick on there. They don't get lost. But these two parts bags are going to come in that CP5s. So, and then on the back, just a little refresher, we have our clip-in handle here, which directly connects the shoulder straps to the base of the handle. It's a much more positive connection. On this loosey-goosey connection here, you're directly connected with the load. That is a good thing. And then on the back, we have the larger pockets, which we call meter pockets, made out of neoprene. They're stretchy to accommodate a variety of meter sizes. Small area in there that you can put a little, say, Milwaukee M12 cordless drill driver. Mesh pocket here with a magnet on the back there also too. So this is a special ops PB5 MC compact backpack. And then we have the CP4. This is kind of a small catch-all bag. And on this is going to come with these two small parts bags in here. Which fit nice and tight in there. And this one actually has, this is 2-in-1. So there's a smaller pocket here, so you can differentiate for storage. So you got a smaller pocket here, and then a larger pocket on the back side, and then this is a single one. So just another way for you to organize your various items that you would carry and store in here. So once again, this is a special ops, and these are now available. And like all of our products, they come with a 5-year warranty. So thanks for watching. Stay safe, and here's to a better 2022.